Today we're going to draw the flag of Libya. You can see it has a rectangular shape and it has a star and the partial seen moon here. And let's outline the colors. On the top portion, it has a separation in colors and also in another separation in the bottom portion. All right. Let's fill up the middle portion with the black color. The flag of Libya. Alright, so the coloring for the black portion is done. Now we're going to color the top with the red color. Let's put the color now for filling up the whole rectangular area. You can see here. And for the bottom portion, we can fill it up with the green color. Let's put the green color now. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. This is the flag of Libya. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day. If you like the videos, please subscribe the channel, and you can also browse through the playlist. We have lots of drawings there in the playlist, and you can select your own categories. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.